Hi friends, this is Sairam. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox Samsung Galaxy M21, which is of a big monster battery, 6000 mAh battery. I'm very much excited, guys. Come on, let's unbox it. So friends, this is Samsung Galaxy M21. Come on, let's unbox it. So first we found the phone here of blue color, and let's keep this aside. And inside the box this is a travel adapter of 15 volts travel adapter. And next, this is the cable of type C. It's a type C cable, guys. And oh my god, where are the user manuals? Oh, it's here, guys. This is the user manual inside this. And this is the SIM ejection pin. And inside, these are the user manuals and the warranty cards and all. Let's keep it all aside and let's come back to the phone. Let's take it out. Let's boot the phone, guys. Before booting, I'll show you what are these. This is the 3.5mm jack. It's a type C port. It's a voice cancellation mic. These are the speakers, and this is the power on off button. And this is the volume control button. And up we see this secondary voice cancellation mic, guys. And this is a triple card SIM tray here. And next, this is a fingerprint sensor. And we see here 48 megapixels, 5 megapixels and 2 megapixels, guys. And this is 20 megapixel selfie camera, guys. Let's on the camera. Let's on the phone. Sorry. So guys, I have booted the phone. This is the phone, guys, and let's see the display, how smooth it is. It's too smooth. The screen is also too smooth. And this phone comes with AMOLED display. And without that, I'll show you how the fingerprint and the face unlock works. Come on, guys. This is the face fingerprint we have got here, and it's too fast, guys. It's nice. And I'll show you the face unlock, how it works. So guys, the face unlock is also fast. And next I'll show you the Android version of this phone. About phone, software information, and the Android version. And guys, as is the latest phone, this is Android 10, guys. Android version 10. And I'll show you the camera now, guys. So I'll take the photo of the travel adapter given by the Samsung. This is the clarity of the camera. It's nice, guys. It's amazing. And the selfie camera is also of 20 megapixel. And the phone is amazing, which comes with Exynos 9611 processor, which is a fast processor. So guys, I will show you the sound clarity of this camera. Sorry, a phone. Hi friends, this is Sairam. So, I'm here with a new channel named as, and guys, even the sound clarity is also nice. So guys, the totally the phone is amazing. If you are interested, I'll provide the links in description. You can buy, and this is the only best Samsung smartphone under the 15,000 rupees. Guys, if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Thank you guys. Bye. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.